Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my coconut oil recipe. So right now I've broken my coconut and removed the shell from it. So we are going to be I'm going to be grating my coconut, and I prefer this instead of dicing because of the blender I'm using. So I just grate all through till I'm done, then we go to blend. So blending my coconuts, I just pour or take 2 handfuls of the coconuts and pour a cup of warm water into it and go to blend. So right now I'm done with blending everything, and I'm just rinsing off the blender into the mixture. So I'll be adding more water now into the coconut mix. The more coconut milk you have, the more the coconut oil you will get. So I'm just sieving now. You can also put in your hand to extract more coconut milk from it. Once you are done with that, I'm just going to put it back into my plastic and pour more water to extract more milk from this. I did this process for just 2 times. So you just keep extracting the milk from the mix. So this is what you will get once you are done extracting an oil. Right now I'll be putting it into the fridge to get blocked. This is what it looks like when it got just extremely blocked here. So I had to wait for it to get dissolved. So here, as it was getting dissolved, I was draining out the coconut milk from it, the coconut water from it, gradually till the water was able to separate from the coconut oil. So right now it has separated well. I'm just carrying the oil into the pot. Yes, the oil is the one that has this more like creamish color, and this is the water. Don't mind the brown underneath. That is from the body of the coconut. So now it's time to fry, and I fried it for about 1 hour 15 minutes to get to this other stage. Yeah, this is when I had finished frying. So I just went ahead to sieve the coconut oil out of this with a cloth sieve. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.